Hello, Colby Gardner here with Texas Marine. Today we're going to take a walk around on the 2015 Flats Cat. The boat does include a trailer, which is a single axle galvanized trailer, a McLean trailer. The boat is 19 feet long, goes real shallow, 6 inches, no problem. Hull's in great condition. No spider cracks, no scratches, deep scrapes. Try to show it as best as I can. A couple little scratches here, no big deal. Your power source is a 115 horse EVINRUDE 4-blade stainless steel propeller and jack plate. Everything looks pretty good back here. Both sides in great condition. No signs of spider cracks, crackling of any kind. Even around the motor mount area, everything looks great. Big nice bench. Your gas cap's actually right here. Floodlights, 12 volt DC, GPS, navigation, 12 volt, tachometer, looks like your water level, your pressure. Here's your ignition and throttle with trim. Lowrance Elite 7 fish finder. Already installed. Got your batteries, all 3 of them. Rod holders on each side. You have access to your console up front. Little power source. And it does have a MINN KOTA iPilot GPS trolling system. These things are awesome. GPS lock your anchor spot. It does have the power right here. And here as well. You do have the light up front, the light bar. Storage on the left, or the port side. Some more storage in the middle. And I'm gonna guess some more storage on the starboard side. All right, free life jackets in every one of them. That's nice. Well, this boat is water ready. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks again for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to my channel to stay current with my pre-owned inventory here at Texas Marine. Thanks again for tuning in. My name is Colby Gardner. Ask for me when you walk in or call in.